How to find the equation of a straight line. Now, firstly, you will need 2 points on a graph as well as a gradient. Now, if you have 2 points given as A and B, you'll now need a gradient. What is a gradient? A gradient is a difference in the level between the two sides of the line. Now, if we have a graph given like that, then we know that these are the two sides. So this gradient or this line is sloping upward, meaning that it is a positive gradient. If these 2 points were to slope in a different direction, if for instance it were to start here at the top and move its way downward, it would give a negative gradient. On this point, in this case, it is a positive gradient. So our formula for gradient is given as m is equal to yb minus ya over xb minus xa. Now, in this case, I intentionally used a and b to show the difference in my two coordinates. So if I were to substitute these two coordinates, I would then have my gradient being 5 over 2. And then if I were to now find the equation of the straight line, I'd have this formula. And in this formula, I have y minus y1 is equal to the gradient x minus x1. And then the same thing, I rewrote the same thing, but in this case, I put a as my subject. Now, if you're given two different points, you need to choose only one and stick with it. So in this case, I used a as my choice or subject coordinate. And then when you substitute this a into your given formula of the straight line, you will then have your straight line equation being y is equal to 5 over 2x minus 1.